Nijmegen has the addition of a unique swimming pool of only 5 by 5 meters. Not unique because of its dimensions, but because it's built in the intensive care department of the Radboud Hospital. Patients having lost their muscle strength because of prolonged bed rest can now begin the process of rehabilitation much sooner than usual. They no longer have to wait until they are discharged from the intensive care. Mr. Buys is going for a swim, or in correct terms, he's going to hydrotherapy. After suffering from a severe heart attack and undergoing surgery, he has been in bed at the ICU for many weeks. His muscles are now so weak that he can no longer sit, stand or walk. To regain his strength and mobility, he needs to move, the sooner the better. An Ewik medical swimming pool is the ideal place for him to do this due to the buoyancy of the water, which makes it easier to move. But until now, intensive care patients could not benefit from this opportunity due to life support equipment they were attached to. In Nijmegen they have found a solution, a swimming pool where equipment and personnel can simply join the patient. In respect to the standard rehabilitation exercises that we conduct here at the ICU, this method allows us to begin exercising much earlier than usual. So for people who have a very limited strength and mobility and are virtually unable to move their arms even against the weight of gravity, they're able to do this quite well in water. What we believe is that if you are able to train from an early stage, patients can leave the hospital healthier and their chances of survival will increase. Because Mr. Buys is actively ventilated, he is unable to speak, but a discharged patient who has previously undergone this treatment after being under sedation for 7 weeks with a lung infection says the treatment also has a psychological effect. After they let you float for a minute, they help you up and all of a sudden you are standing on your own 2 feet again and even walk. This gives you confidence again because you are used to not being able to do anything. When you're in the water, you realize that you can, and this gives you the confidence that you will be able to learn and do it again on dry land. Mr. Buys walked 10 laps in 10 minutes, a brilliant performance.